Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create templates in Gohighlevel. Templates help us save time because we can reuse emails, funnels, and workflows instead of starting from scratch each time. Now let's get started. First, let's look at email templates. To create an email template, we click on Marketing and go to Email. Once the page loads, we click on Templates and create a new template. We can make email marketing templates, blog templates, or templates. For a specific campaign, we can also import templates from our computer. Just choose the type of template we want to use. Next, let's look at funnel templates. To find funnel templates, we click on Sites. Here, we see our funnels. Click on New Funnel and options for templates will appear. We can pick from template objects and continue. Then we choose a template, either from all templates or just our own. There are many templates in the gallery. After we pick one, click on Choose Template, and it will be added to our website. Now, let's create a workflow template. For this, go to Automation. Once in Automation, use the drop-down button to select from templates. We can pick a template and create templates here. After selecting a template, just choose the template, and it will apply to our workflow templates. Using templates regularly makes our processes easier and keeps our branding and work consistent.